Go to Google right now. Type in your name. What comes up first? 9 out of 10 times it's your LinkedIn profile. Now, here's what most people don't realize. That page isn't just what humans see, it's what AI sees too. LinkedIn is now the second most scrolled website by AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude. When someone asks AI about you, it's reading your LinkedIn. And here's the problem. Two different AIs are judging your profile right now. One controls whether your posts get seen, the other controls what AI tells people about you everywhere else. Most profiles are failing both tests. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. 3 big ideas, 5 signals. Let's go. I learned this watching my 12-year-old son apply for schools. He wrote his list. I won the science fair. I play cricket. I was class monitor. I said, Danish, this is great, but what does the school want to know? They want to know what you bring to them. He was writing about himself, but the reader cares about themselves. That's exactly what people do on LinkedIn. They write a resume, job titles, years of experience, achievements. But here's the problem. A resume is designed to get you a job. If you're a founder, coach, or a consultant, you don't want a job. You want clients. And clients don't care what you've done. They care about what you can do for them. Think of it this way. A resume is like a storage room. Everything you've accumulated, boxes everywhere. A sales page is like a shop window, carefully arranged to make someone think, I want that. Is your profile a storage room or a shop window? Rule number 1. Stop writing about yourself. Start writing about your ideal client. Your profile isn't just being read by humans anymore. 2 AIs are judging you right now. AI number 1, LinkedIn's algorithm, 360-degree view. Before LinkedIn shows your content to anyone, it reads your profile first. It asks one question: who is this person for? A clear profile, the algorithm knows where to send your content. Your reach grows. Fuzzy profile, the algorithm gets confused, and the algorithm hates confusion. So it shows you to no one. Think of it like this. It's a GPS. A clear address, you get found. Vague address, you get lost. AI number 2, ChatGPT and friends. When someone asks ChatGPT, who's, insert your name here, where does it get the answer? Your profile. Go try it right now. Ask ChatGPT about yourself. That answer came from your LinkedIn. Both AIs need the same thing: clarity. Who are you? Who do you help? What result do you help them get? So, how do you create clarity? You fix 5 signals: your photo, the trust signal; your headline, the relevant signal; the about section, the depth signal; your banner, the context signal; your featured section, the conversion signal. Fix these 5 and you fix how both humans and AI see you. Let me show you exactly how, and I'll give you the exact prompts for each one of them. I learned this hiring someone to fix my kitchen. 2 contractors came the same day. The first guy, clean car, logo on his shirt, organized toolbox. Second guy, dented car, stained clothes, tools in a plastic bag. I hired the first guy instantly. I had no idea which one was better at fixing kitchens, but I judged him before he said a word. Your LinkedIn photo works exactly the same way. Profiles with a professional photo get 21 times more views. So, how do you do it? 5 key rules. Number 1, frame your face. 80% should cover the image. Number 2, dress for your ideal client. Number 3, have a clean, neutral background. Number 4, look directly into the camera. Number 5, the most important, smile naturally. So here's a prompt that I want you to use. I'm going to put it on the screen. You can use Google Gemini, the Nano Banana Pro. If you use this, you can upload any ordinary photo of yours and it will create a professional looking headshot. Now, here's another AI tool I want to give you as a bonus. Use the Snapper Photo Analyzer free AI tool. It will connect to your LinkedIn, grab the photo, and give you a rating out of 100. You want to aim for 75 or more. You want to see what it tells you. It will give you detailed feedback on what you can do to improve. At BNI networking events, everyone gives a 60-second pitch. Most people waste it. I'm a consultant. I help businesses grow. Everybody nods. Everybody forgets. But one guy, a financial advisor, said, I help business owners pay zero tax legally while building a retirement fund their kids will thank them for. 5 people lined up to talk to him after. The difference, he didn't give a job title. He gave a result. Your headline is your 60-second pitch, except it's 6 seconds. Marketing consultant is a category. 500,000 people have that. I help D2C brands double their ROAS in 90 days. That's a result. So how do we do it? This is the formula. I help specific person achieve specific result through your method, not business owners, CEOs and founders, not more leads, 5+ warm leads, not marketing, LinkedIn plus AI. Add 6 to 8 keywords after, end with a soft call to action. Check out the prompt here on the screen. Create a LinkedIn headline using this format: action verb plus ideal customer plus what they want, how you help. Ask me questions one by one until you understand me, then write my headline. Worst dinner party I ever attended. I sat next to this guy. Let's just call him Vikram. Within 2 minutes, he had told me about his IIT degree, his MBA, his years at McKinsey, his awards. He talked for 45 minutes only about himself. Not once did he ask me a single question. By the end, I didn't want to do business with him. I didn't even want to be in the same room. That's what most LinkedIn About sections sound like. I have 15 years of experience. I worked at these companies. I'm passionate about excellence. It's Vikram in written form. Your reader doesn't care about you yet. They care about themselves. Your About section should be a mirror. Your ideal client reads it and thinks, this person understands exactly what I'm going through. Now, let's help you put this together in a prompt. How to do it. Use the PAS framework. Problem, agitate, solution. Problem, struggling to get leads on LinkedIn. Agitate, you're doing everything the gurus say, nothing works. People with half your experience are getting clients. Solution, that's why I built my system. 5+ leads per week, 30 minutes a day. Short paragraphs, bullet points, make it scannable. Here's the prompt that you need to use. I'm putting it on the screen. Take a screenshot and put it in your favorite LLM. Driving from Mumbai to Pune, hundreds of billboards. I remembered only 2. One hospital, heart attack, we're 10 minutes away. One restaurant, Best vada pav on the highway, next exit. Simple, clear. The ones I forgot, 5 messages, 3 phone numbers. Too much. Your banner is your highway billboard. You have 2 seconds to make an impression. Most people waste it. Mountains, cityscapes. That's like renting a billboard and leaving it blank. I changed mine to a clear message with a question and a call to action. 1 to 2 messages every day from strangers asking to work with me. How do you do that? 4 key elements. 1, your pitch as a question. What if LinkedIn plus AI could help you win $10,000 plus clients in 15 minutes a day? 2, social proof. Awards, media, client counts. Number 3, your face or your logo. Number 4, a call to action. DM me blueprint to learn more. The size, 1584 by 396 pixels, Canva, 3 colors max. Check out the prompt to help you craft an amazing banner pitch. Take a screenshot, use it right now. Great movie trailers don't show the whole movie. They show just enough to make you desperate for more. Your featured section is your trailer. I have a 5-minute video explaining what I do, who I help, and how I help. When people watch it, before messaging me, the conversation is different. They're not asking what I do. They're asking how to start. So how do you do it? Click here on the plus sign, add a link, paste your video landing page URL. Use a title that creates curiosity. Want 5+ warm leads a week? Click here. Use a custom thumbnail. One more thing. Your LinkedIn connections, you don't own them. LinkedIn does. Add a lead magnet link to your profile. A free cheat sheet, a checklist. I did this. I got 1,200 signups in 18 months. 33% conversion. Now I own those relationships. In addition, here are 3 bonus quick wins. 1, customize your URL. Remove those random numbers. 2, add a custom tagline in the pronoun field. I put AI LinkedIn expert. It shows up everywhere. And number 3, add 5 skills relevant to your expertise. So look at what we built today. Not a resume, a sales pitch. Trust signal, credibility before they've read a word. Relevance signal, AI knows exactly who you are. Depth signal, proves you understand their world. Context signal, reinforces like a billboard. And finally, the conversion signal gives them a clear next step. Remember the 3 big ideas. Your profile is not a resume, it's a sales pitch. 2 AIs are reading you. Give them clarity. Fix the 5 signals. Jigger, management consultant, made these changes. Week 2, 3 clients, $9,000 closed. Not from posting more, from fixing the profile. Imagine tomorrow morning, 3 connection requests from your ideal clients. 2 messages asking about your services. 1 person booked. That's what happens when your signals are clear. Want the 5 prompts? There's a free cheat sheet in the description below, or comment signals and I'll send you the subscribe for more. See you in the next one.